search and filter to find and evaluate products. On Alibaba.com, you can find millions of products and over 200,000 suppliers around the world. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the search and filter function to find products. The first step is to find the right product. If you don't have a specific product or keyword in mind, you can browse products by category. Once you have a product in mind, you can use the search tool to quickly narrow down the results. Try using more keywords or longer phrases to get more accurate results. You can filter your search results in a number of ways. Customizable products versus ready to ship. If you want to view customizable products, just select the Customization tab. If you are just looking for something off the shelf, choose Ready to Ship to filter for products that can be sent out within 15 days. Samples. If you want to sample, look under Product Types and filter for products that have samples available. We recommend filtering for Trade Assurance or Verified Suppliers to view only qualified suppliers who have been verified by third parties or enrolled in our Trade Assurance program. You can also filter by many other attributes. Set your minimum order quantity to find suppliers that sell at your ideal size of order. Enter a price range to narrow the results according to what you want to pay. Select the country of origin to define where the suppliers are exporting from. You can even filter for specific production certifications and so much more. Another useful feature is the comparison tool, which allows you to select and compare multiple products. You can compare products by MOQ price, supplier features, and supplier assessments and capabilities. Another great feature is the My Favorites list. Products can easily be added to your favorites by clicking the heart-shaped icon in the upper right-hand corner of the product image. Start utilizing the search and filter functions to get the most out of Alibaba.com.